Well, hello everyone. It is Donna. How are you doing today? So, oops, let me get this off of here. So, it took me 3 hours to actually get the top prepared, get the backing cut, get the and made because I had to make a seam on it and get it all pressed and get the batting done. And I changed my bobbin on the coronet, so this is actually being stitched in green, or excuse me, my main thread, and of course the bobbin. It is being stitched in green. So this is the first time since I've initially threaded it that I've changed my thread color. So it's not bad. I did do kind of like a tie off and pull through. Uh, I only wound one bobbin. I wasn't sure how much it would take because most of the other quilts that I've done have only taken one bobbin. I think another one might have taken a little bit more than one, but it was white, so I just wound another. Um, I have to get into my Maxi Locks Maxi Lock box and see if I have another of this green color. I should have four of them, but just to see, because I really don't want to unthread it if I don't have to. But right now I am on my next to at last advancement. I've got probably one more, maybe one and a half after this, and my bobbin ran out like right here, and it's like, so I've got to go up here and then over, and I'm doing kind of like a, you know um, I don't know what they were calling that, a ripple or a stream or a water. It's not a waterfall, but just kind of like a gentle, back and forth, back and forth. I used to see Donna Jordan do something like that on her Big Gamble. It was one of her patterns that she would do, and of course I'm just doing mine by hand. So mine is not perfect, but I'm learning. So I'm thinking about next projects. I've got an embroidery project, I've got another quilt project that I want to do and stuff, but I just have to get some of these tops quilted because they're starting to back up. So after this one is completed, and I'm probably going to get the binding on it before I start the next one. Um, this, let me get it up here, will be the next one. This is folded in half and everything. This will be the next one that I am going to quilt. And I am not sure, and this is Jordan Fabrics. These are there. I think this one is the only one. No, that one's Jordan Fabrics too. There may be one fabric. Uh, you can't see it. Oh, in here. Wait, it's right here. That one is not Jordan Fabrics. The rest of them are, except for the black. It's Kona. Um, but I need to trim off the bottom, and then I'm gonna quilt it. Now, I was thinking about putting like a red flannel or cream flannel, something like that on the back. And I don't know what color that I actually want to quilt it in. I was thinking red, but I don't know. I mean, would you quilt it in black or red, silver, or would you quilt this one in white? I mean, my quilting's not that great, and it's no matter what I'm gonna do on this one, I think it's probably gonna stand out a little bit. But I'm trying to get there. It's slow going, but I was trying to film this thing today, and every single time I tried, it would just get so persnickety and just break the thread. I mean, just stop on me. I don't know. And then let's see, which is one after that, I think. Get another one. this quilt top was actually um, part of, whoops, a project that I found in a scrap bin, and I kept looking. I found a few blocks, and I found a few more, and then I found cut pieces, and then I found some more of the fabric in the stash, and so now I have uh, this quilt top, and it's probably gonna get quilted too. I don't know. I may donate this one. I've got a few of my old ones that I'm just like not that thrilled with, and I'm getting some to be donated. I think to the Baptist church here in town, or in my little. It's really a village. I don't even know if we're village size yet, but they have a quilting group, and they make charity quilts and stuff. And I'm sure that they would probably finish the ones that I bring into them, especially if I took the backing and stuff like that. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know what I have been working on. It, whew, but I'm calling it a day for today. And with that, I will see you later. Bye.